Hey everybody, this is Keith. So we are out at our new project in College Park. Demo got started on Friday, actually Saturday. So they came in this weekend. So we got started. What you can see right here, this is the way the old houses were done. So this is literally the tile that came off this wall right here. What they ended up doing is they cut down the sides and go ahead and pull it away. But you can see how thick this is. So this is literally, they used to use lath back in the days. So they used to put lath on the studs. So then you would go ahead and plaster. And you can see how many different layers there are on here. So this is the layer of plaster. So this is a layer of thin set or mortar that they would use to do the tile. And then the tile itself, which is thicker back in the day than what they typically are now too. So that piece right there probably weighs over 1,000 pounds. So just in that one small piece right there. So cast iron tub, so that one's gonna be fun getting out of here. But they've already done some demo, as you can see. So taking out the vanity and closet that were there, the back wall between the two closets, or between the vanity and between the bathroom and the closet. And they've taken out some doors here. So they're getting well on underway as we get this done. So as we go downstairs, so we ran into a couple of different things down here. So we were taking out a wall to open it up. So and as you can see, we open this up here. So now what we've got, is something that's a little bit, actually surprised us a little bit, because whenever we looked at everything with the engineers, so we had thought this was a non-bearing wall. So the way it's built gives us a different indication. So the reason it does, is if you see up there, these are your top plates up here, that's what it's called. So there's two of them, which means it's a double top plate. Typically the only time they put a double top plate in, is whenever it's a bearing wall. Now the trusses don't indicate that it's bearing, so in any way, shape, or form. And in this case, there's other things that would indicate the same type of thing. So you've got the triples there, so that's more related to the stairs. But your header that's done across here, is your typical type of header you would put it in a bearing location. So it's a double 2x header, so that would go ahead and hold up some additional weight. So it's literally what that's for right there. So we're gonna have the engineers check it before we go ahead and rip everything else out. The last thing we wanna do is rip it open and have part of our ceiling go ahead and crack on us. So that's not the result we were looking for. But as you can see, this is what it's gonna look like from the other side. So from your living room, whenever you come in the front door. So this is what it'll look like. This is gonna get opened up to where the drywall is cut back, or actually in this case where the plaster is cut back, so that we can go ahead and take care of that. So they did a little bit more outside also. So this is where our laundry room is out here. And this is part of where the cutout was gonna be. So they went ahead and took out all the storage closets that were in here. So they took out the carpet that was in here. There's a laundry tub, slight leak in the old copper, which is really no surprise. So it's on the outside of the house, so less worried about it. So because it is out here. So they cut open this wall. So right here. So this is gonna be the new opening that goes into the expanded laundry room. Okay, and they took out the two doors. You can see the two exterior doors there. So they took those out also. So they did get a good jump on Saturday. So now we just need to go ahead and get them all finished up. So get an answer from our engineers and keep this one moving. So keep an eye on this one. This one's gonna be fun.